Hey everyone, welcome back y'all. It is March 17th and here is what we have for you for our Costco's today. This was just over $70, y'all. Now, things are getting real. And for those out there who think the tariff taxes aren't going to hit the consumers, y'all do your research. It's going to happen. When they come in, the stores are going to pass it off to the consumers. Why is groceries already rising before these taxes take place? Because they're prepping for it is what they're doing. They're preparing for it, y'all. So yes, there are grocery stores, including Walmart, who is already raising their prices. So with that being said, some of these items are stock up items. Some are for right now that we're going to be using. So I'll let you know what's going on. 5 pounds of onions, sweet onions, for $5.50. I am going to keep one out in the refrigerator to slice up as I need it. The rest I'm going to dice up. I'm going to flash freeze them in my freezer. And then I'm going to put them in Ziploc bags and put them away. I love onions. Jessica likes onions as well. 10 pounds of pancake mix. Yes, I know I can make pancake mix by myself, by all means. Y'all, I'm not down to going to get eggs and things of that nature right now. I am holding off on eggs. Pancake mix right now is a good option for us. This is going to be a stock up because we do have pancake mix, but I am stocking up on that. Pancake mix was $9.99, $10. Back here for $10, a big thing of chili. We eat chili year round. My kids like chili dogs as well. We make them at home. So I just want to make sure I'm stocking up on chili because we go through a lot of chili year round. So that was $10. Let's talk about the cheese here real quick. Each one of these is a 2-pound block at Walmart. My local Walmart right now, and I'm not buying shredded cheeses anymore, but my local Walmart sells a 32-ounce bag of cheese for just under $13. I got a 2-pound block of cheese for just over $7. So for a little over $14, y'all, I got $14 worth of cheese. That's 4 pounds. So much cheaper to get it and shred it and get it at Costco in these bigger blocks than it is to even get it at Walmart at all. They are crazy expensive what they're charging for cheese right now. So instead of getting the shredded cheese, which we're not getting anymore, and not getting a 2-pound bag of shredded cheese at Walmart for $14, y'all, $14, and I got double the amount. So anyways, that's cheese. One for now, one is actually going to be put in the freezer. All right, y'all, back here, because we do have allergies in the house, 600 allergy tabs here. This is the Costco brand, $6. I've been using these for years. I do not buy the branded version of Benadryl. These are exactly like Benadryl, same active and inactive ingredients. And y'all, 600 tabs for $5.99. Go ahead and look and see how much Benadryl charges for a small box of Benadryl tabs. These work fantastic. They do make us drowsy though, but we take them at night. So helps you sleep. Kind of a double thing there. 1, 2, 3 whole Costco chickens, y'all. Whole Costco chickens. Now, they are $4.99 still at my local Costco. Because I use Instacart, they are $5.99. The reason I have to use Instacart, y'all know, and for those who don't, I am blind. I cannot drive. In order to take a Uber to Costco and back is almost $20 each way. That is minimum. I am not paying $40 round trip to go to Costco and back home. So I'm going to pay an extra dollar per chicken, and gladfully so, because I cut down on the cost of an Uber ride round trip. And these chickens are so much bigger than they are at Walmart. And our Walmart chickens, y'all, they're getting expensive. They're not $4.99. They're not $5.99. Y'all, last time I was at Walmart the other day, these chickens are over $6.50 at my local Walmart. It's crazy. It's ridiculous. And they're smaller than these chickens. These are some big size chickens, okay, y'all? So get your rotisserie chicken at Costco. 1 is for dinner tonight. 2, I'm going to shred up, I'm going to package up, and I'm going to freeze for later use. I have seen hand-pulled, shredded rotisserie chicken at the store for anywhere from $8 to $10 a pound. Are you kidding me? No, I'm going to shred them myself. I'm going to use the bones, put them in my Instapot, and make homemade chicken broth, and go ahead and package that up as well and put that in the freezer for when we make homemade chicken noodle soup or when I need any kind of chicken broth. So that is what we have for you today. Yes, there's some stock ups here. Yes, we're going to use a couple of items, but y'all, we have to keep stocking up. These tariff taxes are coming. They're going to hit our economy hard. They're going to hit our pocketbook really hard with groceries. And y'all, we're already struggling paying groceries right now. This is like over $70 right here. This isn't going to feed my family for a week. It ain't going to happen. Now, the rotisserie chickens would, but all of this as a whole, not going to happen. So anyways, this is what I have for you today. We'll be back in the next video. Any comments, concerns, questions, suggestions, throw it down in the comment section. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.